Okay, my name's Tony Avent, founder of Juniper Level Botanic Gardens, and we'd love to invite you to our upcoming symposium that we do as a joint symposium with the J.C. Ralston Arboretum in Raleigh. That symposium will be coming up June 12th and 13th. That is a Thursday and Friday. It's a 2-day symposium, and it's all about plants. Our symposium varies from year to year. One year we'll focus on perennials as our main focus, and next year is woodies. This year is a woody plant focus, so we'll really be focusing on trees and shrubs, and a lot of the breeders, the people who create these plants that you buy, will be there so that you can meet them, you can ask them questions in person. We bring in a dozen of the top plant speakers from all over the world. We've got them coming from Belgium, from China. We've got some of the US's top plant people and social media types. We've got people from nurseries, botanic gardens, researchers. It's really 2 days for people who love plants to listen to talks from first thing in the morning till the end of the day. We've even got an evening talk on Thursday, and that's Pat Kalina. Pat, you may know a lot of his work, such as the High Line in New York. There's just an incredible array of things to learn, an incredible array of amazing people to meet. It's just, we literally will have people coming in from all across the United States for this. We'd love to have you joining us. For attendees to the symposium, JLBG will also be open, as will the Ralston Arboretum, on the day prior to the event. That would be Wednesday the 11th. And then the Saturday after the event, we'll be here from 9 to 1 to entertain people. So it's a great time to come, and we'll be here to answer all your questions and see a lot of amazing plants. In addition to the talks and the time to network, we have a rare plant auction. It's like nothing you've ever seen. I know some of our speakers from across the pond are just amazed. They say there's nothing like this anywhere else in the world. We'll have somewhere between 350 and 450 different plants, many of which this is the only place you will ever see those available. So it's really an incredible event. We'll be meeting in person in Raleigh at the North Raleigh Hilton Hotel. If you're in an area and you can't get here, we do have a Zoom option that you can watch from your house or work or wherever you are. So we really hope you'll come join us. All the benefits, support all the work we do here at Juniper Level and the J.C. Ralston Arboretum. We split any proceeds. If you'd like to register, you can go to our website, or you can go to the J.C. Ralston Arboretum website and you will find a link there. Or you can just put in Google Southeastern Plant Symposium 2025, and that will take you to the registration. It's just an amazing opportunity to learn about plants. We hope you'll join us.